who told us this was a good idea to use as wig bonder. You guys, we are getting right into this video with the Outre 100% human blend hair 360 frontal lace wig. It is 13 by 6 hand-tied lace frontal. I am excited to try this Miss Kalinda. I'm so excited. I really like the texture of this hair. I love how pinky straight it looks, and so I feel like this mimics our hair type, so I'm definitely down to try. This is how it looks, you guys, when you first open the box. Pardon, but it's Christmas, you know. I can't wait. So this is what the packaging looks like. I love how everything's all in its own little compartment. Nice little box it comes in, so I feel very protected and loved. My unit was loved. To here, look at all of that hair. Like, it just has the perfect body. Look at the baby hairs. You guys see those baby hairs? I'm gonna still pluck on mine a little bit. You know, it's always good to just see what it looks like. We're gonna try it on anyway, just so you guys can see what it looks like on with if I need to do anything. It's kind of like seasoning your food before trying. So they got extra protection with the clips and styrofoam. Also protected the combs into your house. How sweet. I don't need these. They could have did without these because we don't want that for our hair. I don't want combs. I don't ever use combs. If you are a comb user, let's comment down in below and see who uses combs in their wigs. Let's talk about that. This is what she looks like, Miss Kalinda. Miss Kalinda. Look at the inside construction of this wig. And the lace, it's a HD lace, y'all, so this is what it looks like up against my skin. It has combs, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and this is a weft cap wig. So it's very breathable. I do think it is gonna be big head friendly, so let's give it a try. Oh, it feels so nice on my head. This is what we're looking like. I'm not gonna tamper with the curls too much. Trying not to disturb the hair. Trying to make sure everything's laid where it needs to be before anything gets cut. See the back of that. Oh, I need to cut this, huh? As far as I can see for now, the hairline is pretty dense and you only get up to here. Pull it out for your loose hair. So that full 13, you're not getting that full 13. You're just getting that perimeter piece. Because all this back here is wefts. Following along with me. Digging. This is how far the hair goes back from there to there. So all of that is wefts. This is loose hair. About right here. So that's a pretty long ways on your head. Yeah, it's pretty long. So that's a great. We love parting space. Let's talk about these hairs. They are beautiful. Like, it looks really good, but it needs to be plucked. Hair lace that stops here. Everything stops here, and then everything goes back. You can do updos if you want in the front, like the half up, half down. That would be great with this. You can do your middle part, you can do your side part. This is the color 1 that I got. Kalinda is the wig that I got. Click the video up here. I'm gonna put it up here as to why I no longer want to use these products ever again. Who told us this was a good idea to use on our hair as wig bonder? Products that I use to do my ball cap and will be installing this hair is the Pantene spray. This is the Pantene Pro V Stronghold alcohol free hairspray. So if you guys are interested in hearing more about that, I'm so excited for this, because this is give me another option besides the got to be glued, another option to install my units in a much more healthier way for my scalp, because there are no alcohols in here and I can trust this. I also use the Boho liquid gold to attach this as well, because this system, anything this lady has created, you should buy it, because she took the time to figure out what's a much more healthier install for your skin. Yeah, think about that when you are gluing down your units, ladies. I like to use these products together because this hairspray is very forgiving. It sprays exactly where it needs to go, and it kind of foams up so you can kind of rub your finger or distribute it however you need. Blow it with the blow dryer and it will style as per usual, and it did pretty good on the ball cap. Let's talk about the hair. The curls, they're natural. Like I said, it mimics kinky straight, like curly. Like, it's very nice with body. This wig has to be 20 inches maybe. Yeah, I would say about 20 inches, give or take. And it's stretched, as you guys can see. See, that looks really good. Looks good on camera. Okay. Now, I'm definitely gonna do something about this. It looks very dotty. I can see definitely all the hair pieces in here. The scalp is not giving scalp right now, so I'm definitely gonna have to work on that with some foundation or foundation powder or whatever to cover that up as best as I can. And I'm gonna go ahead and tweeze this, and I'll be back. I had to hop on here real quick, y'all. Do y'all see this? It looks so good. I plucked it really good in the front. I haven't even put a hot comb to it yet. But y'all, this is so nice. Like, I haven't cut the cap yet. It looks really good. Really nice. I love that. That looks so good. I haven't put any powder on top yet, but I did put some in the wig. And just when you do that, make sure you just wipe through the hair like that, just to wipe up that extra makeup that you put onto the cap, because it went, it was ashy at first. Be back. I feel like I don't have to put any spray on there, but I'm going to probably touch up just a little. Look at that hairline, y'all. I plucked it really nice. I've cut the lace, and it's only powder under here, so I haven't even did any baby hairs yet. So let's see how we're gonna do it. You guys probably already guessed it. I'm gonna do a side part. I'm not even gonna waste your time on anything else but a good side part. We love a great side part. This is the profile. This is what we're looking at so far. The part goes all the way back in a curve there. I tweeze the hairline just a little bit more as I proceed towards the front. It sits and foams, so you got time to like play with it with your fingers. I think this might be the next big thing, y'all. Now we're getting everything down to melt. I am going to comb out the hair. And I'm using a wide tooth comb because I want the hair to still maintain the curl, not disturbing too much. It's all about your tools. I am getting a little shedding, but that could have been from plucking. Who knows? I don't know. Nothing major, but I love it. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Not too bad. It's so thick, you guys. Very nice and thick and lusterful. Got a knot. Oh, y'all see that knot? It's like a spider. Wait till I come from under this bandage. It's so full. There's a slight flaking, but not too crazy, and this is just a damp Q-tip. No alcohol. I got some in my eyebrow, so rubbing that off. And it just comes off with water very easily, which is a good sign. It's not forceful like gots to be glued. So I'm just cleaning up the excess hairspray so that when we put more hairspray on, we don't have any little dandruff flakes in our baby hairs. So right now you guys are looking at the final works of this wig. I thought it was absolutely beautiful. It's very well worth it. I'm very pleased with the parting space, the baby hairs, how everything lays. I did not even put a hot comb to this or any heat of any sort. I didn't really want to. I only did it around the baby hairs just to give it that curl up effect for the fluffy baby hairs, and I love how they turned out. Tell me what you guys think if you like this unit. I love how just natural it is. Like, I just can't get over how natural the hair is. It's just perfect in its every own way. Slayed, period. I'm gonna just look at that. I can part it wherever I want to go. I'll probably do another video where I'm styling more hairstyles out of this wig unit. There is a little shedding every time you comb it, but I expect that. But that's why I say this wig unit will definitely last a long time because it is so full and thick. I'm so happy and pleased with it. This is gonna come in handy, y'all, when y'all ain't got nothing else to wear. So the claims of this wig is Outre 360 frontal lace wig hairline isn't straight. Instead, it follows the natural curvy shape of your own, which is true. And the lace will fully conceal all of your hair with its complete temple and sideburn to sideburn coverage. Try the wig that was created to fit you flawlessly. Yes, this definitely fits my head perfectly. Just being extra just to lay it down how we normally do, I used the Pantene spray and that worked out fabulously. Being that this is a 360 unit, I will be trying different hairstyles just to see what I can come up with. Did a great job. What you guys think in the comments? In different colors. They also have a ginger, red velvet, chocolate swirl, honey brown, and a golden blonde. I absolutely enjoyed this unit. This unit was very easy to install. I did not put the lace down in the back just because I'm not gonna do all that extra work unless I'm going to be doing an updo. I mean, this is technically an updo, but this is like how I normally would do it, and it's just like a clip in the back. What I have to say about this hair, definitely is on the more coarser side when it comes to wigs. That's why I kind of got it up right now, because it is a lot of hair. Maybe one day I will show you guys how to properly thin out your synthetic wigs, just so that you guys feel a little bit more secure without all the thick and fullness. I don't mind the thick and fullness. I really love the way my hair turned out. It's really nice and very natural looking for it to be a human hair blend. Did do a little slight flaking, but not too much. But it did the job, as you guys can tell. I did not go heavy on the makeup for the parting or anything like that, but it looks so good, as you guys can see. I'm not ashamed to tell you or show you each side, because it looked good, honey. You look good. This is definitely one of the units I will look forward to throwing on for my everyday. It's full, y'all. It's so full, so thick and full. I did myself a favor by buying these, and they're supposed to help with tangle-free hair ties. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video. It could help somebody else, and also help you in choosing what to choose next for your next hairstyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you guys have any questions or comments about this hair unit, please let me know down below. Have you ever done a 360? What are the challenges when it comes to that? If you guys are also interested in this makeup tutorial, I do have the eyeshadow for you guys, and I did try out the Halo Glow e.l.f. filter liquid on my face. This is no foundation, y'all. It looks so good. You can't tell me nothing. But yes, if you guys want to know a little bit more about those products, you guys definitely click up on these videos up above, and I'll be sure to link all the information down in the description bar down below. And I will see you guys next time.